In a significant step to promote academic excellence, the Seng Samla Dangar organized the inaugural Academic Excellence Award 2025 to honor students who excelled in the recent SSLC and HSSLC examinations. The felicitation program aimed at encouraging educational pursuits among the youth was held on the 19th of July at the Community Facility Center in Dangar. The ceremony was graced by Government Education Advisor Hima M. Shangpliang, who attended as the chief guest and felicitated 8 students for their outstanding academic performance. The event also witnessed the presence of village headman H.S. Imli, community leaders, local educators and parents. Addressing the gathering, the village headman H.S. Imli commended the youth organization for initiating such a program for the first time, noting that it served as a positive motivation for students in the village to pursue academic success. Educator T. Kharaswai, who also spoke on the occasion, provided words of encouragement to the students. He highlighted the significance of the Khasi script and expressed optimism about the language securing inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
Abang along rambak selang araja sipo ya kendu yaki antamnya DC ban pentelah yaki office sarkar na kabalat sakadana salong ya DC ban isutanat ba dipi walang kum udisi joka discussing hirs ula sim kya sibunya gini patam katu kanisna nakaliang joka GAD kala penmi ya ka order ba la pentelah ya ki office sarkar baru na kabalat sakadana halo itu ki bentaya kabapun kador barsenong akatu por nilapha sarkar boleh sebut nak benta kini ki baru.
In his address, the chief guest on the occasion, Himalaya M. Shangpliang, lauded the efforts of the Seng Samla Dangar, describing the initiative as a progressive step towards fostering educational growth and inspiring young learners through the Academic Excellence Award 2025.
Nasobat ay gajing kublay berka congratulations ya kini kun sa lagi. Madaus nem kalong kabakar pang sisya. Haka secondary level ngilayo yaki kun samla baro kowe ka state yungi bagilale hado ta im shempoy perkat bakal result kan poy hado prapo nyo point yue not percent ba haka high secondary ngiyo yakajing pass hado prapo r 0.07%. Katang lalong ka record ado mentah kani bangin pencuyo snow baki kon sa mga jungi para kowe sila kilale maha ado ta naso de ay kaburang si kinohikai kila tre sitam kila tre borba akajing kersyan nakaliya ka sarkar yaki interventions ki papheron hai kilawan ra ya kirukom hikai ka training aki no hikai baki no hikai kin long shushu ki ba khampro kham tibit ban pensapriang ya ka jingtip jongki shaki khon bat shiki khana joni naga jing pet jonga alai i baki no hikai kilale kat bala ban wanra ya ka burom ban ay dan am ya ka school ke jongki kumoang ibaham ne irang pasino Yang bagi kami kiparo kila don betang kajing tu isitom jong kikon kade namar kane baro ni hab ya don jang kikmi kipahi kinong hikai school bat kikon samla badai ngki kikmi kikpa kibla kersan ko kumang iyosyo ang tingitan borda jungi dan bon kilong yen ki beduk andai kala poi kapor baki kmi kikpa kila suto ya ka jing don kam jong ka puli puti kikmi kikpa kila suto ba klem ka jing nam ka jing sta kalawe ki khon jungi kanlong ka beduk